Hello. First of all, I would like to thank you for being in Iran, especially here in Dr. Adib Moghadam's office. If you have no problem, we are going to have a little conversation with each other. First of all, can you please introduce yourself? Where are you from and how old are you?
My name is Magnus. I'm originally from Germany and I'm 30 years old.
Okay. Welcome to Iran. What was your problem with your eyes?
The problem with my eyes was pretty simple. Like a lot of people have, I was not able to focus anything further than like 1.5 meters without glasses. So I was more or less blind apart from this area that you can probably see here. And yeah, I wanted to correct that.
Mm-hmm. Why did you decide to have an eye surgery?
I wore glasses for about 10 years and at the beginning it became a little bit worse. Then it stood stable for a couple of years and I started working after studying and I used a lot of computers, so I had getting problems with correlating my eyes in addition to my blurry vision. So I was thinking about correcting both of these problems with one surgery because I think I'm still quite young and it's like an investment into the future, so to say.
What were your factors to choose the right doctor and how did you choose?
Different factors. One of the factors is, of course, is experience. But that's pretty difficult to distinguish, especially as a foreigner. But also in Germany or in Europe, it's difficult to distinguish because advertising is everywhere. Second one is trust from other people that you talk to and other people who did the surgery. And one factor, of course, is the price. So these are the factors, I think. Yeah.
My next question is so simple. Why Iran? And why Dr. Adib Moghadam? How could you find him?
So actually two questions. Iran is pretty simple because I've been here a couple of times. I have some friends here living here. And the first time I went here, I was quite surprised by the infrastructure in general, like medical-wise, transportation-wise. I was just fascinated compared to other countries in this area. And Dr. Adib Moghadam was a simple choice because I've met a person in Germany from Iran who did the surgery, first of all, herself, and her relatives did the surgery as well, and who did this with Dr. Adib Moghadam. So I was able to consider his experience and have a personal, trustful relationship also. So that's why.
Very nice. What's your opinion about Dr. Adib? I mean, his behavior, characteristics.
He's a doctor. He's a doctor. He's a professional, first of all, and yeah, he's a doctor. So it's on a professional level. Yeah, I'm quite happy about that I chose him because he seems, first of all, experienced, like I was hoping, and he seemed flexible. So he was like dynamic of choosing the right method for me and not just doing what I wanted. I came here, had no idea about the surgery and wanted to have good eyes, and there are so many ways, and we did an interactive conversation about what was the best choice for me in terms of recovering, price, working in the future again quickly, and yeah, so that's how I'm quite happy with that.
Thank you. How was your surgery? Did you have successful results from the surgery as you expected?
Mm-hmm. How was the surgery? Quite uncomfortable. It doesn't feel very nice, but I didn't have any pain at all. So that was the positive thing is, of course, it's not comfortable to have a surgery on your eyes while you're awake, but I didn't expect it to be comfortable. But I was hoping not to have any pain, and I didn't have any pain. That was a very positive aspect about the whole procedure. Did I have successful results? I think so. It's difficult to say because it's just 6 days ago. So I can see the street signs and 500 meters away in Tehran. I still have a little bit of blurry vision, which is not like crispy, clear, focused vision. But the doctor and me, we decided for a procedure which is more secure, but takes way more recovery. So as the doctor says, the vision comes first and the quality takes a little bit with the recovery. So I cannot say if this is like the final result, but first of all, I think I have a good feeling right now that everything is going well.
Will you recommend Dr. Adib to your people or other people all over the world?
Yes, I think I can recommend him. It's difficult to say right now because the recovery takes at least 3 months. And I hope that everything is going well. But so far, I feel very safe with him, and I think, or he wants me to come back to complete the examination. So, yeah, I feel like I can totally recommend him.
Thank you. At last, how are Iranian people? What do you think about their specific behavior, which was interesting for you?
Yeah, I like Iranian people actually, because I think they're very hostful people, very friendly, and you can connect very good. I like the region, I like Iran, I like the culture, I like the language, I like the food, so it's pretty easy for me to live here with Iranians. One aspect which is very interesting and I would like to mention is Ta'aruf. And because as a foreigner it's difficult to understand that this is a very important thing in culture. So you should Google Ta'aruf if you don't know it before coming here, because if you understand it and know how to use it a little bit, then it's even easier to get access to Iranian people. Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Hope you have a great life, better life with this surgery, and best visions. Hope you feel well. Thank you.
Merci.